Welcome to our video on the abundance of yoga styles. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of yoga? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's delve into the myriad of yoga styles that exist today. First up, we have Hatha Yoga, a gentle practice that focuses on breathing techniques and postures. It's great for beginners and those looking to find balance in their lives. Next, we have Vinyasa Yoga, a dynamic and flowing style that synchronizes movement with breath. It's perfect for those seeking a more energetic and fast-paced practice. If you're looking to build strength and flexibility, then Ashtanga Yoga might be the right fit for you. With a series of predetermined poses, this challenging style will push your limits. Kundalini Yoga, on the other hand, focuses on awakening the dormant energy within you. Through breathwork, meditation, and chanting, this practice aims to bring about a heightened state of awareness. For those in search of a more introspective practice, Yin Yoga is a wonderful choice. It targets the deep connective tissues and aims to increase flexibility and relaxation. In contrast, Bikram Yoga, practiced in a heated room, involves a series of 26 postures aimed at detoxifying the body and improving overall strength and flexibility. One of the more recent additions to the yoga world is Acro Yoga, a playful blend of acrobatics, yoga, and Thai massage. It's a great way to connect with others and build trust and communication skills. And let's not forget about Restorative Yoga, which focuses on deep relaxation and stress relief. It involves the use of props to support the body in passive poses, allowing for complete rejuvenation. So, as you can see, the world of yoga is vast and diverse. With so many styles to choose from, there's something for everyone. Whether you prefer a slow and gentle practice or a more intense and dynamic one, yoga has you covered. Now that you have a glimpse into the abundance of yoga styles, why not give one a try? Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or a curious beginner, there's always something new to discover on your yoga journey. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the myriad styles of yoga. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, namaste.